Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a milkshake using a blender. First, gather milk, ice cream, flavoring, and a sturdy blender. Measure 1 to 2 cups of ice cream and 1/2 to 1 cup of milk. Combine ingredients in the blender pitcher, secure the lid, and pulse until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness, then serve in a chilled glass with optional toppings and enjoy immediately. Start by choosing base ingredients that match your taste and budget. Use whole milk for richness or lower fat for lighter shakes, and pick ice cream flavors you enjoy. Add sweeteners, extracts, fruit, or mix-ins like chocolate chips to customize flavor. Keep measuring tools nearby, such as a measuring cup and spoons, and use chilled glasses for best results. Plan toppings like whipped cream, sprinkles, or a cherry to finish the shake. Start by adding liquids to the blender first, then solids to help blending efficiency and prevent clogs. Pulse in short bursts to break up chunks, then blend on medium to high until smooth, watching consistency. If too thick, add small amounts of milk. If too thin, add a scoop of ice cream or frozen fruit. Clean the blender promptly and rinse the pitcher to keep parts from staining or sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.